MacBook Pro charger, replacement magnetic 60W tip, power adapter compatible with MacBook charger. MacBook Air Afterlay 2012. Input 100 to 240 V 50/60 Hz output 16.5 V 3.65 A 60W tip. Good quality compatible, works as original part, lifetime months warranty. Note: this is the second generation of power adapter, not the first generation. Knowing which specific Mac notebook model you have is important. Please check clearing clearly before buying. Satisfaction and backed by a lifetime replacement. Magnetic T-tip magnetic 5-pin DC connector helps guide the plug into the system for a quick and secure connection. An amber light lets you know that your notebook is charging, while a green light tells you that you have full charge. Protective function. Replacement chargers are manufactured with the highest quality materials and include multiple smart features safeguarding against overcurrent, overvoltage, overload, short-circuit protection and auto recovery, CFC0 certified. Compatible model: all June 2012 to 2014 MacBook Pro 13-inch with Retina display. For Retina display, MacBook Pro, MacBook Pro A1435, A1425, A1502, MacBook Air. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.